The impact of digitalization, benefits of digital KPI tools. So how do we change the game?
My name is Louis Liao. I'm an employment lawyer and a principal at Louis Liao Chambers.
The impact of digitalization. So how do we change the game? With digital tools, your goals would be visible, not buried. You get to track progress in real time because there will be a dashboard. The dashboard will be very clear for everybody to see what are the business goals, what are each department's KPI. Those informations are actually available and transparent in your dashboard for all staff. And your managers get nudges and reminders to do their check-ins with the staff. And the system would also promote regular check-ins, feedback, and coaching. So when you do your check-in, you get to see whether your staff are they on track to hit their KPI or are they off track. So you get all this information with your digital tool. Whereas with an Excel, you don't really have this kind of information. It doesn't remind you automatically. The benefits of digital KPI tools. Number one, transparency for all parties. So everybody is clear on the KPI, what is everybody contributing to, what is the company direction is clear for everybody. Number two, objective and fair evaluation. So you have proper dashboard, you have proper data. You can then have objective and you can evaluate your staff fairly. Number three, accountability. So there is no more stuff like HR is supposed to update the KPI or HR is supposed to actually help me to plan the KPI. There will be a clear accountability in the systems. Everybody can see who is accountable for what KPI and what is the progress. Number four, data-driven performance conversation. Data beats memory every time. When you have data, then I can speak to you based on a fact. I don't base on favoritism or I don't base it on my memory, what I remember about you. No, it's data. Look, this is what you achieved, X number, and this is how you have improved or how you have lagged. So we should do this, we should do that. So that is proper conversation that you can have with your staff. Oh, so you are lagging behind all this, and how can I support you? Have this kind of conversation.